Hello, my name is Calvin, and I will be opening up the Minecraft Mine Kit. Inside of it is an egg, a pickaxe. There is supposed to be a piece of paper, but I threw it back there. Inside of the egg there could be one of these. Steve B, a cat, a creeper, a villager, or a snow golem. And if we are lucky enough, I could get the Minecraft creeper, which I'm very excited about. I really want it. Now let's open it. Here's the pickaxe. I already did go into it a little bit, and then I thought, let's do a video on it. So now let's do this. We can put it in a bucket of water for 30 seconds, and then it'll just be fine to do. Oh, I got it. Yep, okay. I'm starting from the bottom. I got it now. I have to scrape it. As you can see, we already made a nest on the table. Let's just scoot that all out of the way. This is like chalk.
You made it worse.
I did. So I need water for this because this is pretty much hard clay, and if you put it in there, it starts to get softer, and it should be easy. So let's just it's warm water. It sounds very weird.
Sounds like it's shrinking.
Now we just put that right there. My hands are soaking wet. Now let's get back. Oh, yes. Here comes Johnny. I see. Wait, look at Mom. It's not it. It's not the golden. I think I got the B. Yeah, it's a B. Okay, we got the B. And then there goes Mom back asleep. No, getting coffee. I thought she was going upstairs to get Alexa to sleep. Good luck sleeping. Do it. Oh. Okay, I see it. Okay, stop. I said stop. We got a B. Yeah, we got a B. I yelled at you. Stop. Yeah, I was very uncomfortable. Ow. Not yet. I think I... Okay, to the side. Okay.
Not a good idea.
I think it's good now.
Oh.
Hey, we got it out.
bee.
We got the bee. It is very chalky, as you can see. Thank you guys so much for watching. In the next video, we will be uncovering Meowscles. And peace.